Hey guys, welcome back to my another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your first website, that's been your portfolio website or e-commerce website using these tools. It's called wezic.ai. I don't know what is this playing. Okay, so if you are a freelancer and if you want to build your portfolio website, so today's video for you. And I am using these tools first time, maybe I don't know. So I have already another video. I showed you that how to create a website. Website build is now really easy, so you don't have to know about worry about the coding or HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can create your website using this kind of AI tools. Okay, so maybe this is the second video as I'm just creating using these tools. Okay, so just sign up with your Gmail account and then log in, and you can just do some comments, like you can write comments what kind of video or website do you want. Okay, so you can, and you can generate the website. Okay, so no more delay, I'm just going to the first section where we can write like a design website focused one. That's been all, it's all about your website. Okay, so as I said you that we are just want to create a portfolio website. Okay, so as a freelancer, so I'm just writing here. Alright guys, so you can write your own style. So I'm a Upwork freelancer, work as digital marketer. I want you to build a portfolio website where show all the details. Okay, so let's press enter. Alright, and this is the second step, I think. So what best describes your content working situation? Okay, still give me more about yourself. Alright, so my role is freelancer. So let's press freelancer. And which industry best describes your company or primary areas of focus? If you represent a company, please choose an industry that best fits your organization. If you are unsure about it, please select the field that most closely matches your primary focus. Alright, so let's select digital education. Perfect. And then content and copy, development, sales, business, marketing. So click on marketing. And also director, team manager, individual, or freelancer. Okay, so last step, your choice will submit. Have you created websites before by any chance? No, I have. All done. I already know you. Now let's create the best website together with Kimi. Create unique website. Now press here. Alright, and this is the first text that I already wrote it here, and here you can see, hi, click me to enter your workspace, and you can click here. Alright, so 64% already done. So they are analyzing your ideas. Okay, assembling your website. I think the website will be published over here, or we can check it out over here. Okay, so claim now, I have to save, so I don't need to upgrade any premium account. Okay, so I think our website is ready. So yeah, here you can see this is home page, about, and services. Your website is ready to go live. Oh wow, that's amazing. Contact us page. So let's scroll down and check it out the design section. Okay, and this is the first page, I think. So explore our services, meet the team. Okay, so here you can see about us page, our services, portfolio, support, and contact. So also you can edit, so you can just let's make it better together, chat it to edit. So if you want to add something over here, you can edit. So click on service. So I think, yeah, it's clickable. That's amazing. So click on home page. Perfect, this is the home page. So it's really easy. And if you want to check, is it really a mobile friendly? Wow, that's fantastic, guys. So here you can see it's really mobile friendly. This is in the mobile version. Wow, how amazing, outstanding performance. So you can showcase your product, also you can showcase your skills as a portfolio. So you can change each and everything, and you can add your own content. This is the dummy content, so don't worry about it. Just go to chat with edit, and you can change all the things like text, button style, and also their images as well. As you can use as images, your images perfectly. So if you want to publish this website, let's click on publish here. So you can publish as with a subdomain like the company.app. You can publish this website and it would be your website name. Okay, so also you can rewrite this and just give it your name as a freelancer or something like what kind of website do you want to, and then you can publish. Okay, it's pretty simple. So I will show you another way how you can create your e-commerce website using these tools. Okay, so if you want to watch this kind of tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that when I upload you can enjoy. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, and I will come back very soon with new tutorials how you can generate your fast e-commerce website. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.